Okay, here's a good question. And I found that in my labs, when I try decimals to do regression, that my number's not exactly the same as theirs. So they're doing some other, they say to use a graphing calculator, which should use a similar one. The other issue I have with it is it's supposed to be an exponential function, but there's a couple of values that don't look that right. Like it doesn't have this nice little swoop going up, the dots, but let's plug it in. So plug in all the numbers, and then for your function, use what they gave you, y equals ab to the x. But instead of the y, you'll use a y1. And instead of equals, we use a tilde. And then ab to the x, ox1. There we go. So see how the swoopy line, yeah, the dots are sort of close to it, but not really. Anyway, they say it's an exponential function, and so this is what we go with. Anyway, down there they say what your a value is and what your b value is. So here's one of the issues I have is they say to round to 6 decimal places. Why they want 6 decimal places beyond me. But my numbers down there are 19.6164, so that only has 4 decimal places. The next one, B, only has 5 decimal places. So you can plug those in and try it on your own. I think I typed all the numbers in right, but you can try that. If they want 6 decimal places, you could put a couple of zeros just to fill in if you need to. But if you get it wrong, just let me know and I'll mark it right. Okay.